Elizabeth Semmelhack, the Creative Director and Senior Curator at the Battersea Museum, and this is Unboxing the Battersea Museum. Today I'm going to unbox a new acquisition that I haven't actually seen yet. It's something that I've wanted for a long time. It is a pair of shoes designed by Alexander McQueen. It has his name embossed on the top. It also features a shoe bag, as most high-end shoes always come with. It has sort of beautiful tissue paper. Looks to me like it's a feather motif or some kind of suggestive of a zebra print. And inside are what we've been waiting for, the shoes. So here you can see the shoes that we just acquired. They are Alexander McQueen from the Angels and Demons collection of 2010, which was unfortunately his last collection. And I think they're very Alexander McQueen. They have that connection between sort of the floral, the feminine, and the tough black leather, sort of almost fetish-like uppers. One of the things that happened after his death in February of 2010 was that when Vogue magazine and a number of other magazine editors were invited to come see this final collection, Vogue reported that they decided that this final collection actually looked like it had been made for a museum. And so I think that this is a very sort of lovely thing to now have these museum-worthy shoes finally in our own institution. 2008, that's when the Great Recession hit, shoe design became really adventurous, and Alexander McQueen's shoes were part of that. One of the things that really happened was that not only were shoes becoming incredibly high, they also became shoe designers became very interested in the sculptural potential that high heels and platform soles had. And so I think that you can see that Alexander McQueen is taking advantage of that. So the floral design that's all done here in metal starts with sort of twists and tendrils of vine coming up to create the heel, and then you have kind of an explosion of floral motifs that go along the entire platform. The shoes actually take a bit of commitment to get into because they have a side zipper, as you can see here. They also have a front zipper, so you get the sense that there is a possibility of getting your foot in, but you actually have to unbuckle in order to access these points. Alexander McQueen obviously was one of the most important designers of the 20th and early 21st centuries, and I'm very happy that they're here now in the collection. So thank you so much for tuning in to this unboxing video. If you want any more information, it's in our description, and stay tuned for more unboxing videos to come. Thank you.